You're now watching Doorbell News.
Los Angeles, California. You guys asked for it, so here it is. Cat Cam. A cat owner in Los Angeles decided to put some food out for her lost cat. And then he showed up with a little buddy. The homeowner wants to put this footage out in case this other little buddy is your missing cat. Check it out. Yeah, some people would rather watch cats eating food than porch pirates taking stuff off of people's porches. Yeah, this is pure innocence. Nice kitties. If you have any animal clips or anything you want to send to us, feel free to email it to us at doorbellnews@gmail.com. Your clip may be posted on Doorbell News. After leaving the food out, two dogs ended up finding it. One was a husky. Hey, that's for the cats. Another dog finds the cat food, but it looks like he's a little too late. Looks like the husky ate it all. New video coming later on tonight. Thumbs up if you like Cat Cam. Doorbell News Cat Cam, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.